Leaker Igor Bogdanov has been on a leak spree, sharing new images of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P during its testing phase, and alongside that, he hinted that preparations for a global launch are already underway. But the real situation isn't about a normal rollout, it's about what's happening in the United States, because this camera actually did go through FCC certification earlier, and everything looked on track, but according to recent reports, that approval status has now become unclear, with indications that listings were pulled or shifted and the authorization is no longer in a straightforward, approved, and ready state. And that changes everything. Without clear authorization from the Federal Communications Commission, DJI can't officially sell or distribute the product in the US. And with DJI already on the FCC's covered list, getting, or even keeping, that approval has become significantly harder for any new device, so instead of a delayed launch, this starts to look like a blocked one. That's where another piece of the puzzle starts to make sense. There's a brand called XTRA, officially separate, but over time it's built a pattern launching products in the US that closely mirror DJI hardware, especially when DJI faces regulatory friction. Similar design language, overlapping ecosystem support, and very strategic timing. It's not officially confirmed, but the pattern is hard to ignore, and this lines up directly with the latest leak. Alongside the Pocket 4P images, Igor also shared a promo visual for the XTRA Muse 2 Pro. The hardware shown there closely matches what we've been seeing for the Pocket 4P, same layout, same dual camera structure, same overall design direction. More importantly, that promo clearly mentions a US release. So while the DJI branded version is stuck in FCC uncertainty, a near identical device under a different name showing up with a confirmed US launch. That doesn't feel like a coincidence. For creators, the branding matters less than what the camera actually delivers. But here's the trade-off. While the hardware might be identical, the after-sales experience may not be. XTRA does offer warranty and repairs, but it doesn't have the same global service network that DJI is known for. Anyway, this is where things get interesting from a product standpoint. The Pocket 4P is expected to introduce a redesigned vertical dual camera system, a large 1-inch main sensor paired with a dedicated telephoto lens enabling true optical zoom in a pocket form factor. Leaks also point to 4K slow motion up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit D-Log with around 14 stops of dynamic range, and an upgraded ActiveTrack 7.0 system focused on more reliable subject tracking. There's also mention of 107 gigabytes of built-in storage, which is a practical upgrade for shooting longer clips without constantly managing memory. So this isn't just about specs or even the camera itself anymore, it's about how DJI adapts when direct access to a major market becomes uncertain, and whether users end up getting the same hardware through a different route. Peace.